Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I hope this particular setup did inspire you to do that one thing that you've been procrastinating or you've not been doing. Now this will not stay just like this because I have a toddler at home. He may fiddle with these things. I may have to put it here and there. That is something that keeps happening. I have a personal few favorites to share with you all, and if you're somebody who does not read, currently I'm also not in a reading routine because of my kids. I do not get the time to be in a reading routine, but if you don't have commitments like me, you should surely read Shawl by Rosie Thomas. I read this book before visiting Kashmir and JNK as a tourist, and this book really helped me to have a brief glimpse into the state without actually visiting it. And I was so familiar with the terms like pashmina shawl and so many other things, so it wasn't a situation for me like कि मैं जगह जा रही हूँ, I'm going to JNK and I do not know what is pashmina shawl and this and that. So yep, this is what a book does to you. And before, if you're going to a place, you want to know a brief history or something or the other, I would suggest read a local author, read a local story, a narrative, a poem, something, and you would really get a good glimpse into the place without actually going there. Now this is one book, Become the Person You Dream of Being. I randomly read it anytime that I like because it really helps me push forward, and it has so many words of wisdom, encouragement. What are your seeds of greatness? Just do something, stay inspired, love the toughness. And this is by Wes Bibish. Another good author is Ruskin Bond, and I've read a ton of books by him. I really love him as an author. अगर आपको देहरादून और मसूरी, स्पेशली मसूरी के बारे में और ज़्यादा जानना है, वहाँ के वंस लॉस्ट इन्वायरमेंट के बारे में, जो वो लश ग्रीन हुआ करता था, and so many things, how the cities have transformed with time, you should consider reading Ruskin Bond. He writes these things in a lot of his work, and you can actually get the feel of it. If there's a particular genre that you want to discover, you want to know more about, for example, let's say army. So I have this book by Mrs. Rachna Bhisht Rawat, and she is a Fauji wife and she is a Fauji bride, जो भी आजकल कहते हैं, that she's a army kid, army wife, and she has beautifully penned down Paramveer Chakra stories, the people associated with this gallantry award, and this is one of the best reads I have found. So while you for watching the video, if you like the content, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Also मैं Q&A करना चाह रही हूँ because of a lot of queries that I've been receiving lately, even DMs on Instagram. I'm a little annoyed at few questions because of the type of questions you people have come up with, but nevertheless, please DM your questions. I'll be more than happy to discuss them. A lot of plant queries. जो आप ये प्लांट यहाँ देख रहे हैं, इसको 5वें 6ठे दिन में मुझे बाहर रखना पड़ेगा. ये ऐसे ही इतना लश ग्रीन अच्छा नहीं उगेगा यहाँ पे. इवन दो मनी प्लांट्स आर क्वाइट हार्डी, बट दे नीड बाहर का थोड़ा सा लाइट एंड एयर एंड सनलाइट तो चाहिए ही चाहिए. So thank you for watching and I will see you all very soon. Bye bye.